Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my today. Kurwa sa uta disruptor ke motho ta tsha motho le fa sengata. I'll disrupt straight. Let me start afresh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined me, I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, some home vlogging, everything home. Yeah, that's what is happening here in this channel. So today I am going to fold laundry with you and distraction again. Distraction. I'm going to fold laundry with you. It's a little bit folded in the basket, but I'm sure it's not properly folded. My daughter folded it because I did laundry and hanged it in my mother's place. So then I left it and my daughter was there spending the whole day there. That's when I said, when it gets dry, please unhang and fold it in the basket. I will come and take it in the afternoon. So I want to pack it, so I will just see what's going on and put it away so that I can put the new dirty laundry in the basket. It's a cycle. We wear, wash, dry, wear, wash, dry, and we repeat again. So let's get into today's video. If you coming across this channel for the first time, please and subscribe to the channel. Go back, watch previous videos, and for those who were here for the longest time and recently, I appreciate your support, guys. The channel is growing. I can see you guys. The engagement is amazing, out of this world. Thank you for sharing my videos. I love you always and stay blessed. So this is the whole basket there. It was a lot this time. It was a lot, and there's a mat there. The mat that I always lay down there on the feet on my couch. I always take it and wash it in the washing machine. Reason being, I don't know, but I wash it there. Yeah, maybe I'm lazy to hand wash it.
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day. Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms.
It was not bad. I'm done. It was not bad, guys. It was not bad. She needs some polishing and mentoring, but I think with time, she's only 13 years old. I think with time, she will just master it like that. So I'm gonna pack it away. Mutushule kwa khoni. I'm gonna pack it away and put it accordingly.
And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day. I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost in summer feelings that I can't seem to find.
Guys, I have a pattern of hanging my clothes. All the front are facing the same direction and the hangers are facing the same direction. That's how I like it. I don't want things that are mismatching or back and front things hanging like that, or front to back to front to back. My things always face the same direction. And you'll be wondering, why am I not showing inside the wardrobe? Nope, not now. Yo, this wardrobe is mixed masala. Like, things are not in order. I just pack like a shovel sometimes, but the wardrobe is too small. We are 3 and I need to make a plan. But soon I'll buy my daughter a chest drawer when she moves to her room. That will be soon.
Like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough. All that I know.
In this video, guys, this guy was just all over the video and there was no way I can dodge him. Like, he was moody before because I reprimanded him about something, and yeah, he was just all over. Just ignored that. But I really don't like showing him a lot. What if when he grows up he doesn't want? So I'm limiting the filming of my kids. As for my daughter, she is introvert. That one, she's so quiet. She doesn't even want to cross. When she's crossing, she'll be going. Maybe the camera will be behind. But yeah, I really do cut them out. But today, I don't have a choice. He's just gonna be with me. He always move around with me. Sometimes you find he's on my back and I don't even know. And when I turn, I'm stepping on him. He's so attached, very attached, guys. These ones need some ironing to do, and it's still hot outside, so they're gonna wait. They're just gonna wait. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Thank you for folding with me. If you had a basket of laundry to fold, if you got motivated, I don't know if you'll still be motivated for your next folding. Thank you so much. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.